I've been working with Andrea since, well, the 6 to 8 weeks or 6 to 8 sessions last year. I was particularly in a strange, odd place around that time. I'd say around sort of July, August, and I knew I was going through lots of different things anyway, but I knew I needed to shift my thinking pattern. And I also knew I needed an expert or an outside helper to kind of guide me to what was actually going on half the time with my fear of being sick or fear of being out of control for myself, which had been going on for years. I think what I found was every time I had a session with Andrea for the hour, every time I left the session, I felt a different person. And of course there was 6 or 8 sessions, but you had to do all the work really yourself to understand yourself better and your thinking patterns. So after that particular period of time and coming into early this year, of 2026, sorry, we're in January 2026, I realised that it helped me so much understand myself, but also understand what I was doing and how I was actually creating most of it myself, which was true. And Andrea just helped me understand my thinking patterns and helped me understand what I thought about myself. A lot of it was to do with self-esteem, anxiety within yourself, your confidence massively changed. It really did. I was quite introverted before I met Andrea and wasn't really enjoying going out meeting people or wanting to meet anybody new. But since the course, I have been trying new things. I've wanted to look at myself differently. I eat better. I used to binge a lot on food. I work on my own self-identity, what I enjoy about my lifestyle. I do a lot more exercise. I've made new friends. I've changed how I work. The list is endless, and I communicate better. I think I was a lot more sort of uncertain about how I would communicate to others. So, I mean, there's a whole array of things that has helped me through this whole course. But Andrea is brilliant at, she said to me again, do you want me to be firm or do you want me to be nice? It's like, no, be firm, be honest, be direct, whatever. So get the message through to me, which works. And everybody's approach is different to how it works to you or for you. So this is why, for me, it worked really well. I like the black and white, sort of like be honest, be direct, say it as it is kind of thing. So with that, it worked really well for me. And I felt different after the second session, if that might be the first. Every single session, like I said, I felt different afterwards, but I'll totally recommend it. I mean, even if you don't suffer from the fear of being sick, emetophobia, I would actually just do it for self-confidence, self-esteem, social anxiety, how you talk to other people, jobs. I mean, I could give you a whole list of reasons why you should do the course, because I wish I'd taken it when I was in my teens, and I think it's a course that others should take on when they're in school. And if this goes into schools, I tell you, kids will definitely be thriving. Amazing. Never look back. I'd even want to take it again. I loved it so much. I wish you all the very best on your journey.